Hello everyone. Can't really believe that I'm saying this, but yeah, it's the final study session before exams are over. Um, yeah, lots on the line for paper four. Yeah, we're gonna do 3 hours, and then I'm gonna go eat some food and do the exam. Um, but yeah, I'll see you guys in 50 minutes. Greetings, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, Tatvam. Hello, Avi Jane. Hello, Oliosaurus. Studying for further stats. Nice. We've got Yavo here, Said Muradov. Are you from Uzbekistan by any chance? Hi, buddy. Luck. Thank you. we got a couple of further stats students. Farhan as well, apparently. Hello, Mr. Alright. There's a Farb. Hello. Greetings. Have you ever played YBA? I don't even know what YBA is, to be honest, so probably not. What am I studying for? Yeah, I'm studying for my exam, my final exam. My last one. What will be on the exam? Numbers and sets. So like number theory, set theory, that type of thing. Yeah. Hello. Hi though. Hello, Shubhranshu Narayan. Hello. It's a lot of Evians. Good choice though, bro. Thank you. I will get rid of them at some point, but yes, thank you. Cooked. Thank you, Physicist Cuba. TGS in the chat. I see you. Plans for after exams. I don't know. I mean, okay. I want to do lots of putting out content. Probably mostly streaming, like just random math stuff, whatever I feel like doing. I'd like to cycle around Cambridge a little bit, just have a look at the outskirts, explore a little bit before I go back to London. I'd like to read books. Yeah, I don't know. That's all of that stuff sort of excites me, so I look forward to it. But yeah, those are my plans for like right after exams. Well, I guess like when I get home from the exam, I might do a little stream, just chatting. Yeah, but yeah, those are my general plans for like right after exams. What subject are you studying? I'm studying maths. Yeah, more specifically numbers and sets right now. Am I from London? Yeah, I am. I'm from, if we want to get specific, I'm from North London. When is your flight to London? Well, thankfully, thankfully the UK is not quite as big as India, so I can drive or even get the train. But I think my dad will hopefully pick me up so that I can take all my stuff back to London. I don't know when I'll go back to London. Probably like a week or two after my exams are over. Something like that. But I'll stay in Cambridge for a little while. Yeah. It's like the drive isn't even that long. The drive is only like an hour and a half. So it's really convenient. Yeah. I might go back to London earlier, like just for like a day to take back some stuff or something like that, or just to see my parents. I don't know. But yeah, when will I permanently leave Cambridge for the summer? Probably in like 10 or so days. What's your major? My major, because I guess we don't really do the same system in the UK, but the subject that I'm doing at university is maths. That's my major, so to speak. How long did it take for the stream to catch viewers? I don't know. I mean, to be fair, like, okay, I wasn't really starting from scratch because I already had quite a few subscribers when I started doing these streams. But I mean, this number of viewers, like having 11 viewers, that took quite a while. It's only recently that I've been getting this many viewers. So I'm very grateful to everyone for tuning in. Long may the hopefully. I really enjoy streaming though. I think it's a lot more fun than making videos personally. So after sort of 6.5 years of making maths videos, I think I might switch to doing math streams instead, and just sort of, you know, doing videos whenever I want. But yeah, I mean, 13 viewers on a stream is a lot. So thank you to everyone for tuning in. Have you paid for the whole year at your com or only during term times? Only during term times. I mean, it depends on the contract, but at my college, it was like a short contract, so you have to leave. You have to leave when it's holiday time. Like not like straight away, but like you have like a few days after the term finishes to, you know, get out basically. I mean, I think you can pay extra per night to like stay in your room during holidays, but yeah. Yeah. Hopefully that answer made sense. Your study streams are motivation, trust. Okay, I'm glad to hear it. It's motivating for me as well, so it's sort of like a mutually beneficial thing. When I joined, you only had 2 viewers. Yeah, that sounds about right. That means you're an OG fan of the stream. Yeah, it's nice to see the slow but steady growth, you know? It's good to see it. I'm very grateful. I used to love maths till +2, but engineering forced me to hate. I don't know what +2 means here, but that's a shame. That's a shame. Sorry to hear that engineering ruined your love for maths. Maybe one day you can rekindle it. Pick up, you know, a pure maths textbook and, and fall back in love with your old passion. Maybe that's too romantic. I don't know. Do you use ChatGPT to understand maths? I don't have advisors, so I unfortunately do. I do, but I use it with caution. Because, you know, often it can just like spit out completely nonsensical answers. And okay, that's okay because it's obvious, but sometimes like it'll say something that sounds true but actually isn't, and that's when it's dangerous. So I do use it, but with caution. I mean, I've been using it a lot just to like check my answers and stuff. And sometimes I use it like to I don't know, I just I mean I do use it sometimes, yes, but with caution. Definitely though, it's bad to like let it do your thinking for you and stuff like that. Like you're not going to improve if you just like plug in problems into ChatGPT and look at the solutions sort of briefly. Like that's not going to do anything. I don't know. I feel like it can be a useful tool if used properly. Which I'm not saying I use it like perfectly or anything, but I'm just saying, you know, caution. Approach with caution. Not long to go. Not long to go. Okay, we're coming up to the end of the first break. All right. I'll see you guys in 50 minutes. Hello everyone. Let's have a look at the chat. Which laptop are you using? It's some Lenovo laptop. I don't know exactly what it is though. I've had it for quite a long time. Bro is so locked in. Good luck. Thank you. Does he study math? I do. Yes, I study maths. Blah, blah, blah. The stream just got into my suggestions. I discovered Greg yesterday. We got some new fans in the chat. Hello, greetings. When was this last session? No, there's going to be one more. Actually, that's the final one of this like whole thing. Hopefully, I can go out with a bang. I'll let you all know how the exam goes though. I'll hop on a stream once I'm back from my exam. But let's have a look. How's it going? Hello Skibbity Doc. Hello someone. How many alphas do you think you've gotten on the papers so far? Not a lot, because like I'm genuinely just trying to pass. Like I think I'm on 2 and like quite a lot of betas. So yeah, not a lot of not I haven't done very well in the exams, but yeah, at this point I just want to pass. When is it? Well, my exam's at 2 p.m. UK time, so I'd be back home at like 6 p.m. UK time, roughly. I don't know what that is for everyone else. It's a bittersweet moment, indeed. Yeah. I raised my score quite a bit by studying with you on this stream, so thank you so much, man. No worries. I'm glad to hear it. That's good to hear. 2 is much better than whatever I could have gotten if I went to CAM. Well, I wouldn't have gotten it. Okay. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, it's not over. We still got paper 4. I can still get a couple more. I'm hoping for, if I did like, okay, obviously like I could say, oh, I want 3 alphas in the next paper, but like, okay, realistically, a realistic goal for paper 4 is 2 alphas or 1 alpha and 2 betas. That's what I'm hoping for. And if I get either of those, then I'll be like 100% or like 95% sure that I've passed at least. Anything less than that, and it's like, okay, I've probably passed, but it's looking a bit shaky, which is not what I want, not the position I want to be in. But yeah, oh well. Not long to go. How do you know about the alphas and betas though? I thought that was like a uniquely Cambridge thing. Where did you go? What did you do? Exams today. All the best, man. We go and cook. Yes, hopefully. Thank you. Is alpha and beta the grade? It's just the grading system for maths at Cambridge. So like long questions, if you get them fully right, you get an alpha, which like boosts your mark by a lot. And short questions give you a beta, which boosts your mark by like a little bit. And if you get a long question kind of right, like if you get more than 10 out of 20, but like less than 15 out of 20, then you get a beta from the short question as well. Basically, the idea is they want you to spend half an hour on one long question rather than and do the whole thing, rather than just answering like the first part of like every single long question and like just marking farming marks, farming marks like that. Because that's not really gonna. It's not gonna be nearly as much as if you just got one long question fully right. What's up? Hello, Smile E5R. Hello. Oh, I mentioned it on a previous video. Okay, I see. Okay, fair enough. Maybe I'm becoming a bit of a broken clock. I'm repeating myself. But yes. It's 2:25 p.m. for you guys. Interesting. Okay, so you're 4 hours ahead of me then. Okay. How's it going, Smile E5R? Good to see you in the chat again. Oh yeah, you guys are like 4.5 hours, which is really weird. It's not an exact even number. I don't know like who did that, but or why, but yeah. But yes, okay. Now that I've realized that this is going to be the last study session for a while, it's got to be like the most locked in ever. I'm just going to like ascend. I'm just going to become a number theorist in this next 50 minutes. Yeah, the morning streams always get the Indian. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, the Indian fan base. Yeah, I feel like the afternoon ones start tapping into the UK fan base, and a little bit American, but I don't really have that many Americans in the chat. Maybe if I did evening streams, they'll get Americans. You got any plans for the summer? I do. Well, speaking of America, I'll be heading over there. I'm going to be doing some research with Christian Furco and Kassara, who are co-authors on the only research paper that I am a co-author on. Is to do with like quantum entanglement and stuff, using homological algebra to measure quantum entanglement. Which is like, I just said a bunch of buzzwords there, but yeah, basically I'm off to America for like a month, which should be really fun. And yeah, I'll also see my family in Belgrade and my aunt at some point. So yeah, it should be a pretty busy one. Me on high school final year, any tips to get better at math? I think for high school maths, the best way to get better at it is just to practice a bunch of problems. Obviously, if you don't understand the content, learn the content first. But once you sort of can understand, what your teacher is saying, what the textbook is saying, then it's just doing as many different types of problems as possible, so that like you have the pattern recognition to solve as many different types of problems as possible in an exam. This session is going to have me shooting lasers out my eyes for real. Yeah, this is like the culmination. I'll miss these for real. I tend to lock in when I have your stream on. Damn, it's an emotional moment. Can you keep giving us a few updates here and there? Yes, I will. I mean, I do plan on putting out a lot of content and streaming and stuff. I just don't plan on doing study streams that much. At least not for the summer. Maybe after the summer holiday. Oh, I'm from the UK. Okay, we got a okay, we got a fellow Brit in the chat. That's good. Life lives life 3035. That's a deep name, by the way. Your paper was on Hodge theory, cohomology entanglement. Yeah, it was. Yeah, indeed, yes. We love you. All the best. Give it all you got. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. For the final time, at least for a little while. I'll see you in 50 minutes. Let's lock in. All right, all right. That's it, I guess. That was the final 50 minutes. Let's have a look at the chat. Just got the announcement that I got rejected from scholarship. Damn, that's not. I'm sorry to hear that. Whoever rejected you has made a critical blunder. But I'm sure you'll do well wherever you go. Hello, you'll be amazing. Thank you, Dev Sudashan. Final sesh, honorary 10 out of 10. Yeah, I'd say my final. I was motivated by the fact that it was the final one. Like there was a point around sort of 35 minutes in where normally I probably would have started to zone out, but then I told myself like, this is literally the final session. Like I can't zone out in my final one. So I pushed on. What's up, Smile E5R? Hello. How's it going? Exams are done this afternoon. So this was the final study session before my exams are over. I'm going to miss these. I'll probably hang out in VC from now on. Probably. Cool. I'll join you at some point for sure. Good luck for the exam. Thank you. Hello, Albita Akhtar from grade 9. Good luck. Thank you for wishing me luck. Thank you everyone. Thank you Zafar4219. From which university? I'm at Cambridge University in the UK. Cambridge. No more study streams, but I plan on live streaming just random maths related stuff or chess related stuff pretty regularly from now on. But no more study streams, at least for now. Is there a study VC? I don't see one. I'll make one now. Hold on. I shall make one. Let me add one. Voice study. Create. Yeah, I've made one now. So it should be there. I hope I find pretty girls and guys in college. That's a major motivation right now. That's it. Yeah, fair enough. Whatever works. If it works, it works. If it's motivation, it's motivation. So fair enough. Do a live stream from US. Yeah, I will definitely. We will miss the study streams. I'm glad they've helped you guys out. You know, if I'd known that these would help me out, I would have done them much earlier than I did. But it was a nice few weeks at least we had during these streams. I'm so glad to know that you remember me. How could I forget? No worries. When are you coming to St. Andrews? You said I'm going to St. Andrews. Wait, what even is St. Andrews? Am I being stupid? Is that a uni? I can't remember. Hold on. Maybe I'm being stupid. St. Andrews. Yeah, it's the university in Scotland. Okay, yeah, I wasn't tweaking. Okay. Maybe I will. Maybe I will go to St. Andrews one day. I would like to go to Scotland at some point, to be fair. When am I going to US? I'm leaving June 28th. That's when I'll be in Boston. Can't forget the OGs when you become famous. No, I definitely won't. Don't worry, Skibbity Doc. I won't forget you. When my inevitable fame comes. But yeah, I mean, no, I'm going to Northeastern. I think I'll probably stream after my final exam there. I'll let you all know how it goes and stuff. Will you remember me? I will. Don't worry, Smile E5R. How could I forget? How could I forget Smile E5R? Do not forget us. No, I won't. Don't worry. All the best, buddy. Thank you. You too. I don't know when your exams were /are, but I hope they've all gone /will go well. Oh yeah. I'm representing UK and ICPC. Yes, you said. I remember that. That's like that really technical computing Olympiad thing. So we may meet at some point. Yes, that's well. I don't know if I'll ever be representing the UK in the ICPC, but remember this grade 9, huh? Yeah, of course. I won't remember any other 9th grader, but I'll remember you. Best of luck with the numbers and sets paper. Thank you very much. I'll need it. I'll need all the luck I can get. You'll be like Black Pen, Red Pen, Calculus guy soon. Yeah, hopefully. Oh man, that guy's got like 1 million subscribers or something. Come to MASH someday. Okay, maybe I will. I don't think I've ever been to MASH. Actually, maybe I have once. I don't know. I can't remember where it is. I know where Kiki's is. I know where Rev's is. I don't even know where MASH is. In Parkside Park. Okay. I will. Black Pen, Red Pen is peak. Is that thunder outside? I'm pretty sure I just heard thunder. Yeah, Black Pen, Red Pen. I mean, he was like one of the first YouTubers that I watched, maths YouTubers that I watched. So he's great. I do like Black Pen. I actually, if you filter my videos by like oldest, then you'll see one of my early videos is an impression of Black Pen, Red Pen. It was a competition who can do the best impression, which I actually won, by the way. So I earned myself 25 quid from that competition. So yeah, definitely Black Pen, Red Pen is the best. Bye for now. I will study physics now. All the best to you. All the best to you too, Arbiter Actor. Good luck with your physics. But yes, I agree with someone who says best of luck for the ICPC. I agree. Best of luck. Do the UK proud. Do us proud. Bring it home. Three Blue, One Brown is also good. I love him. Yeah, Three Blue, One Brown is also great. His videos are very, very high quality. He sort of like made the sort of Manim style of videos like pop. He put those on the map. I think it's fair to say. I'm not going to claim that he was the originator of that because I don't know if he was. I don't know if there was some small YouTuber using Manim before Three Blue One Brown. But definitely since Three Blue One Brown became popular, you see loads of these guys using Manim now, and making all sorts of amazing animations and stuff. So yeah, Three Blue One Brown sort of like a pioneer of a certain side of maths YouTube. So big respect to him, I guess. It's raining. Yes, it is actually. Yeah, it's just started pouring, which is annoying because I was going to go outside and grab some breakfast. We couldn't hit 4K. Three Blue, One Brown, goated. Yes, that is true. That is true. Yes. I'm sure we'll hit 4K at some point. I need those 4K watch hours. That's what I need. For the monetization. We're not quite there yet. Bro, your hair. Okay. All right, mate. I know. Okay, I know. Blondie. Yes, I am. I used to be more blonde, but I still have some blonde hair. Yeah, it's very voluminous. I don't know. Well, you will get money, huh? Eventually, once I hit the right amount of watch time, hopefully YouTube will pay me some money. I mean, I have been on here for 6 years, so. Bye, take care. See you later, I'll be to actor. I'll see you around. Yep, the UFC White House card. Yep, that's this Sunday, right? That should be good. That should be Alex Pereira will win. I don't know. I would be very nervous sort of betting on that. I feel like he's a slight favorite, but Cyril Gahn is a serious guy. You know, I don't know. But it would be pretty insane if he did win. Like 3 divisions, that's crazy. So I'm very excited to see that. I want to get in to Cambridge. I'm in 10th grade. Any tip? I'm from India. Okay, well you're in 10th. You're in 10th grade, so you still have quite a bit of time. I'd say, yeah, probably the most surefire way to sort of get an interview would be to like have a really good score at some Olympiad or something. But there are other ways too. You just need some sort of project or something that shows that you're like really passionate about maths and that you're really good at it. So Olympiad's like the easiest way, but there are other things too. I mean, I had my YouTube channel, for example, but just some sort of project that you can work on, and obviously get really good grades as well. Otherwise, you're like automatically disqualified. I'm a super heavyweight. Not a heavyweight. Okay. So you're more than 265 pounds then, I imagine. Oh my days. Can you guys hear that on my mic? That was lightning. Bro, it is. Oh no, not lightning, just more thunder. It is raining like crazy. Thunder. Also, I'm hearing... If there's another pigeon in my wall, I'm actually going to crash out. I'm hearing noises from my wall again, but I don't know if that's just rain pitter-pattering. I don't know if that's just rain that's like falling down the chimney. It doesn't feel like a scratching noise, so I don't think it is another pigeon. I think it's just rain hitting my wall, or at least I hope so. I don't want to have to deal with another flipping animal in my wall. I don't like math and I'm going far away from it, but I'll tune in for your study streams in future. Thank you. Okay, there's noises. Oh, don't tell me there's another animal on my wall. Genuinely, don't tell me there's another animal on my wall. Oh. There might be another animal in my wall. Maybe the like thunder scared a pigeon into my chimney again. I really hope that the noises that I'm hearing right now are just rain, and that when it stops raining, I'm gonna stop hearing these noises. Justin Gaethje is there. What do you mean he's there? As in, like, he's gonna win? In which case I disagree. Or as in he's going to be fighting, in which case I agree with that factually true statement. What course should I take? We studied basic maths, not advanced maths. That isn't not until 11th grade. I have good grades, 9. I don't know. What course should I take? I mean, I don't know how basic the basic maths you're doing is, but I'd definitely say learning calculus would serve you well. And whatever prerequisites you need before you do calculus. Like if you haven't done trigonometry, do trigonometry. I imagine you've done basic algebra though. So yeah, if you had to learn some maths outside of school, I'd probably recommend calculus. Bro, there's thunder again. And there was lightning that time. I could see the flash. That is crazy. I want to go outside and get food though. I'll probably wait for this thunderstorm to be over. I hate pigeons. I mean, that's fair enough. Actually, I don't know if that is fair enough. I feel like pigeons are like unnecessarily hated. Although I don't know. Maybe they are just annoying. I don't know. I like them better when they're not in my wall. That's for sure. Teach the pigeon real analysis, it will leave. That's true. If Strickland could win, Gaethje can too. That's true, I guess. Yeah, but I definitely would. I feel like Ilya is just better than Hamza as a fighter. But obviously, you know, the Gaethje is like a professional who's won the interim belt twice and who has hands made of stone. So like, you know, obviously he can win. But I would definitely. I think Ilya Topuria is just like. I just think he's amazing. I'd be very upset if he lost. But yeah. A pigeon pushed me off my bicycle as a kid and I broke my wrist. Okay, fair enough. That's valid then. That's valid. Okay, in that case, you know what? I feel for you, and your hatred of pigeons is understandable. Just eat the pigeon. My city is on 10th hottest city in the world. I could cook an egg outside just from temperature. Is that actually true? That is crazy. If that's actually true, that's crazy. Like, you could just put a pan outside and just crack an egg in it and it would genuinely cook. Yep, I think there's a pigeon in my wall. Yep, there's another. I think there's another pigeon in my wall. I'm pretty sure that. Oh, more thunder. Okay. Oh no. No. Maybe it's just hailstones. It's hailstones. It's not a pigeon, it's hailstones. Okay, I think it's hailstones falling down the chimney. I think that's what it is. I think that's the noise that I'm hearing right now. Not a pigeon. I didn't realize how much trouble being in the room, like with a chimney, like would cause. No, but oh my, I'm hearing. Okay. Bro, the hailstones are sort of making it sound like. Okay. Oh. Yep, hailstones. Oh my days. This is nuts. This is genuinely nuts. There are definitely hailstones, by the way. There are no. You can't tell me there's no hailstones. I saw them. Huh. You think there's rats? There better not be rats. Don't even say that. Don't even say that. Pigeon. I would. If you gave me the choice between a pigeon and rats, I would take a pigeon 100%. Wait, can you guys hear that, by the way? You guys can hear that? Maybe I'm coping. Maybe it is an animal. I'm maybe saying. Maybe me saying that it's a hailstone is just cope. If it's a rat, I'm genuine. If a rat bursts out of my wall right now, I'm gonna crash out. Well, at least this. Oh, I hope this this storm sort of subsides before I have to before I have to go to my exam because it's like a half-an-hour walk. Sounds like hail. Okay, thank you, Skibbity Doc. Everyone telling me it's not hail. I'm sure it's hail. Okay, it seems like it's. Very dramatic. Very dramatic. I'm waiting for it to like. I'm waiting for it to calm down so that I can like leave. Okay, well, I don't know, man. I saw hail. I don't see it anymore, to be fair. But I saw things bouncing off my window. But I don't see it anymore. I just see rain now. Yeah, 30-minute walk. Yeah, I don't mind it too much, to be fair. It doesn't feel that long. It's the exams are kind of out of the way. But it's fine. Most people, I think cycling is quite a common method of getting there better. Construct the set of places where the weather is fine and include Cambridge as an element. Yes, okay, I'll do that, yeah. I don't hear it anymore. Yeah, no, neither do I, neither do I. Okay. I just hear some rain outside. Let us know on Discord. Let you know what? Imagine if math could bend reality like that, though. Yeah, that would be pretty crazy. Just like, yeah, no, yeah. I feel like that would be pretty OP. Okay. You know what? Seems like the rain is dying down. I think it was just like one giant sort of storm, but it seems to be cooling, not cooling down. It seems to be calming down. I'm gonna go make coffee, lock in and do some physics. Bye bye. Good luck. See ya. See ya, Skibbity Doc. I think now that the thunderstorm's over, I am also gonna head out because I need to eat breakfast before and get back here in time, so that I'm not late for my exam. So I'll see you guys soon, and yeah, thank you for tuning into all the streams. I'll let you know how the final